You're back.
I'm Mandy.
I'm Dan.
Subscribe to
BuzzChomp.
Woo! Woo.
Your Grinder HIIT workout and review. This is the ultimate HIIT workout. Intervals, baby, intervals. And this one is certainly high intensity. It's called the Grinder because you are grinding your body and your mental stability down to a fine point, if you will. One round of this will take 6 minutes. It is timed. You need an interval timer. There are 8 exercises with a 30-second jog between it. Then maybe take a minute rest, and then you dive into the next round and the next round and the next round. This is HIIT. It is intervals. So you're going to really be pushing yourself mentally and physically. I'm giving this an 8 out of 10. I truly like it, but it's a little bit off-putting on the surface because intervals are hard. You need to be ready for it. It's not a pick up and do every day workout. This is a I'm going to challenge myself today workout, but it's an excellent challenge. Don't get me wrong. I'm going to go through round 1 with you, which are 15-second intervals per exercise with a 30-second jog. Then you're going to continue forward as much as possible with rounds 2, 3, and 4, 20, 25, 30 seconds. You add time each round. That's the key to this workout and its biggest challenge, if you will. Are you ready for round 1? 15-second intervals, 30-second jog. I'm going to do it with you. Then you keep going. Let's begin. Ready to begin? Got punches. Go. All right, take a 1-minute breather and then jump into your next round with 20-second intervals. You need your timer. It's the same exercises. You do punches twice. There's a nice variety of upper body and legs in this circuit. You get squats, jump squats, push-ups, climbers. It's a great, great balance between upper and lower body. And then your rest between each workout interval is a 30-second jog. So it's you did your workout, you did your exercise, and then you jog. Exercise, jog, exercise, jog, exercise, jog. Round 1 is 6 minutes. Round 2 is going to add a little time because you're upping the length of your intervals for each exercise. You still do a 30-second jog. The final round takes the longest, 30-second intervals, 30-second jog. This is a nice, complete workout for your day. So you don't need to do anything else. This is a circuit HIIT. This is your workout for the day. Now, if you're only going to do like one round, it's 6 minutes. So perhaps you go for a run later or you go for a long walk. Otherwise, if you're completing the entire workout, as you can see here, 4 full rounds, you're going to be spent. That's great. You're going to be sweating. Make sure you break for like a minute between and get a little water, catch your breath. Because this is high intensity. It's why it's HIIT. And you're grinding yourself down. I give it an 8 out of 10 because not everyone can handle this intensity workout. But I challenge you to try because 15 seconds goes like this if you let it. It can be really, really long if you focus and like wallow in how uncomfortable you are. But honestly, I have a feeling the 30-second jog is going to be the longest. You're like, oh, I don't want it to end, but it's so freaking long. I just want to get the circuit over with. That's going to be the part that's most painful for you. Personally, I did find it restful, but that's just me. I really enjoyed this workout circuit. I'm Dan Salem. Subscribe to the BuzzChomp YouTube channel because we got more great circuits and workouts and challenges every week. Comment below, how many rounds of this HIIT workout were you able to get through? What is your take on intervals? I personally like them, but they were really mentally and physically challenging. Woo! Your Grinder HIIT workout and review.
Thanks for watching BuzzChomp.
Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and share.
Subscribe and share.